In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a home decor Shopify store. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, setting up an online store for your home decor products can seem daunting. But with Shopify, the process is straightforward. Let's dive into the steps to create your own Shopify store for home decor items. First, you'll need to log into your Shopify account. If you haven't created one yet, head over to Shopify's website and sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard page. This is your control center, where you can manage all aspects of your store. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar and find the Products section. Click on it. This section is where you'll manage all the products you're planning to sell. Here, you'll be able to add new products, organize them, and make them look appealing to your potential customers. After clicking on Products, you'll see an option to Add Product. Go ahead and click on that. This is the exciting part where you start adding items to your store. You'll be taken to a new page where you can start entering details about your first home decor product. Now, it's time to fill in the product details. You'll see fields for the product title, description, pricing, and inventory. Make sure your product titles are clear and descriptive. A good title might include the type of item, its color, or any other important characteristic. For the description, be as detailed as possible. Tell a story about the product, its uses, and what makes it unique. This is your chance to really sell the item to your potential customers. You'll also need to set a price for your product. Consider your costs and how much profit you'd like to make, but also keep in mind what your competitors might be charging for similar items. If you have inventory, enter the current stock level. This helps customers know if the item is available and lets you track sales and restock efficiently. Lastly, think about adding photos. A picture is worth 1,000 words, especially in e-commerce. High-quality images can make a huge difference in attracting customers and convincing them to make a purchase. Make sure your images are clear, high resolution, and show the product from multiple angles. Once you've filled in all the required fields and added your images, review everything to ensure accuracy. When you're satisfied, click Save to add the product to your store. Repeat these steps for each item you want to sell. And there you have it. You've successfully added your first product to your home decor Shopify store. With these foundations in place, you can continue to build out your product catalog and start customizing your store's appearance to match your brand. Happy selling!